Hello students, good morning to all. I hope that you all are safe at your homes. Yesterday we were discussing the point number 3 on Shakespeare and we have already discussed the half part of the poem. Okay, I have already told you this poem is also called Song on Shakespeare, Sonnet on Shakespeare, and this poem is a tribute to the poet Shakespeare by John Milton, because the poet John Milton was greatly impressed by the literary work of great Shakespeare. That's why he has composed this poem in the form of a tribute to Shakespeare. Clear? Yesterday we were discussing that the poet is making a question to everybody that we do not need any kind of tomb, any kind of monument, any kind of pyramid or building to keep Shakespeare in our memories. There is no need of such kind of weak witness of thy name. Shakespeare has two titles according to the poet. First one, dear son of memory, because he is still remembered for his great literary work and great hero of fame. The poet Shakespeare deserves the name and fame because he has written on every aspect of life. जीवन का जो हर पहलू होता है उसके ऊपर शेक्सपियर ने कंपोजिशन किया है और उसके कंपोजिशंस will be immortal according to the poet. Immortal means अमर, जो कभी भी खत्म नहीं होंगे, डिके नहीं होंगे. Now we will discuss the last lines of the poem. I have already told you about the rhyme scheme of the poem: A A B B C C D D and carry on. Clear? Thou in wonder and astonishment has built thyself a livelong monument. Livelong monument, what is the meaning of that? Such kind of building जो कभी भी खत्म नहीं होगी. What does the poet want to say? कि शेक्सपियर ने जो कंपोजिशन किया है, that creates wonder, that creates amazement in the minds of readers. कि जब readers उसके compositions को पढ़ते हैं, they are quite surprised, they are quite amazed at the work of great Shakespeare, or the work of great Shakespeare has created or made a long lived monument in the hearts of the readers. जो readers हैं उनके hearts में उसने ऐसा एक monuments बना लिया है जो कभी भी end नहीं होगा. That is immortal. That's why Shakespeare doesn't need such kind of big buildings like pyramid, like monuments, okay, and like tombs. Clear? So what does the poet want to say? That the great literary work of Shakespeare creates a feeling of amazement, creates a feeling of surprise in the minds of readers, in the hearts of readers, and the great Shakespeare has created a livelong monument in the hearts of readers, and he will be known for his literary work, and he will be immortal in the hearts of readers. Yes. For while shame of slow endeavoring art, what is the meaning of it? जिस टाइम का हम बात कर रहे हैं 1630 का, उस समय ड्रामास का जो कंपोजिशन है उसको स्लो आर्ट माना जाता था, लेकिन उस आर्ट को कंप्लीटली चेंज कर दिया शेक्सपियर ने. इट मींस मोस्ट ऑफ द पोएट don't show any kind of interest in dramas, okay, but what did the Shakespeare do? The great Shakespeare made a revolution in the field of literature. लिटरेचर के फील्ड में वो एक रिवोल्यूशन लेकर आए, और जिस आर्ट को स्लो माना गया था, ओके, दैट इजी नंबर फ्लो, उस आर्ट को आपने इजीली फ्लो किया, आगे बढ़ाया, and that each heart has formed leaf of unvalued book. Unvalued book means the unvalued work of Shakespeare, the great literary work of Shakespeare. Every reader feels great joy and happy while reading the great literary work of Shakespeare because it is the major source of knowledge, inspiration, motivation and guidance for the upcoming poets and the readers. Clear? Thou deliberate lines with deep impression too. The great poetic lines of Shakespeare makes a great impression in the hearts of readers. Then thou or fancy itself self-grieving especially जब आप किसी को lost कर देते हैं and you feel very upset, the feeling of upset. That's why the readers are feeling very upset because they have lost Shakespeare, but Shakespeare is still alive in their hearts in the form of his great literary work, and he will be immortal and he will be known for his great literary work, and he will be source of great inspiration for upcoming generations. Does make us marvel with too much conceiving, और आपने हमारे अंदर एक नया चेंज लाया है और हमारा जो थिंकिंग है उसको completely चेंज किया है. And so speculature in such form does lie, thou king for such storm would wish to die. What does the poet want to say in the last lines? स्पेक्युलचर स्पेशली ब्यूरेरियल चैम्बर होता है जहां डेड बॉडी को बरी किया जाता है, दफनाया जाता है. तो व्हाट डज द पोएट वांट टू से कि हे शेक्सपियर, तुम अपनी कब्र में इतनी शान से सो रहे हो, लेटे हुए हो कि जो राजा है, द किंग फॉर सच टॉम वुड विश टू डाई, राजा भी चाहता है कि इस प्रकार के टॉम में मैं भी लेटूं, यानी वो भी इसके लिए मरने के लिए रेडी है, तैयार है. इट मींस द ग्रेट शेक्सपियर हैज अचीव्ड सच ए नेम एंड फेम इन द लाइफ, इवन द किंग विशेस फॉर सच नेम एंड फेम. उसने इतना नाम और यश कमाया है कि इतने नाम और यश के लिए राजा भी कीन डिजायर रखता है, इच्छा रखता है. और उस यादू रूपी जो ब्यूरियल चैम्बर में वो लेटा हुआ है शान शौकत के साथ विद पॉम, राजा भी ऐसे टॉम में मकबरे में दफन होने के लिए, मरने के लिए तैयार है. आई होप दैट ऑल ऑफ यू हैव गॉट माय पॉइंट. All the students will write down the complete explanation of the poem. That's all for today.